My name is Rajnish Behal. 2 years back, we renovated our house and then we had to renovate our windows as well. So we had looked at different suppliers at that time and Beautex was one of them. Finally, we settled for Beautex because of 3 parameters. Number 1 was the quality of the raw material, quality of the material. Number 2 was the finish of the material, and number 3 was the price. In relation to other companies, Beautex scored on all the 3. So that is why we opted for Beautex. We are very much pleased with what we have got. The windows have fitted extremely well with our interiors. I would recommend Beautex to all other people, and in future, if we have to go for windows for any new construction or renovation, we will use Beautex.